Looks like it has some damage already. Oh, that's just the plastic door. So dumb. It's just the plastic. I thought it was part of the headphone. Duh! Hey everyone, I just came back from Target and I found this JBL E55BT Bluetooth, and it's like originally it was priced at $149. I got it for $44.98. See, and I'm gonna unbox this and hopefully it's still new. You know, sometimes the return the clearance it. Hopefully it's not been hasn't been used yet. So let's open it up and I'm gonna test it myself. I ripped it. Box. Another box. And there's no paper wrap, but hopefully, I mean, you know how you have plastic wrapping on it? This one doesn't have one. Hopefully it's not a used one. And what's included? So it comes with a micro USB and a 3.5 millimeter headphone and a manual. So I probably need to charge this one. I believe this is a rechargeable headphone. So this is the JBL E55BT. It features a JBL signature sound, up to 20-hour battery life. You can enjoy the entire day or more of wireless audio without having to plug your headphone jack to charge. And it charges within 2 hours. It's a rapid charge. And it's supposed to seamlessly switch between devices. And comfort fabric headband. It's soft. One button universal remote with microphone. We have to find that feature. Let's see. Right, one button universal remote with microphone, which is this one right here. In wire mode, the bundled cable, which is compatible with most smartphones, allow for easy music control and hands-free calls. Here. Sound control on the air cup is right here. Plus and minus. And answering calls. Tangle-free fabric cable. I can tangle this myself. Even though it's tangle-free. And it's supposed to improve ergonomic design. Yeah, just the same like any other headphone to me. So I'm gonna let it charge for 2 hours. Then after that, I'm gonna test how it sounds. Alright, it's been fully charged, and try it on with the wire first. Left, right, left. That's how you can tell. And that's what it looks like in my head. Kinda, it's adjustable. Fits perfectly in my ear on the phone, and you can turn it off by just pushing the button. It'll turn off.
Call from 6 dead.
here. That's my answering machine, answering. I'm using the headphone here, so it works. Works really well. Alright. Next is music. Now pairing, I put call audio and thing. Call audio and media audio. Now it's solid green light, blue light now. I click OK. Now it's connected to call audio and media audio. Now we can listen to music. So you can pause and off and on using the button in here, and you can lower the volume too up and down using the knobs here. I mean the push button here. The only thing I don't like is I'd rather have that dial where you can just turn. This one you gotta like find out where the buttons are, and you know you might accidentally push the Bluetooth, and if you do that you might get disconnected. You gotta find how to play button. So far the audio is really good. Nice, clean sound. And movie-wise, let's look at. So I just tried listening to Man of Steel, the movie, and watching the Man of Steel the movie, and it works good. The only thing I don't know if the problem is if it's my phone, or the way the Bluetooth on my phone, or something else. Because sometimes it gets disconnected, like tuk, tuk, tuk. So I don't know if it's my phone or if it's the headphone. Hopefully, because my phone, my Bluetooth on this one is really lousy. So hopefully it's just the Bluetooth on my phone. Because I have other devices I can use this, so I don't really mind if I don't use it with my phone. Anyway, that's it. This is my review for the E55BT JBL Bluetooth headphone, and I got it for $44.98, and so it's worth the price for that price. I wouldn't pay $149 for it or $70 for it. $44 is my price to pay for it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.